So, a baby's cry. Why are we even talking about a baby's cry? It's so mundane and seems outright boring, but it is important. A baby's cry alerts the parents if something is wrong with it, and the parents intervene. Think about it. If a baby didn't cry, the parents wouldn't be able to understand if something was wrong with it, and the parents would not do anything about it. So there's something wrong with the child, it's not crying, and it's deteriorating, but the parents don't understand. So it would die. So if you can't know when your child is in trouble, your child will die. And if this happens to all the children of a species, the species would be wiped out. And so this is very important to preserve the species, this particular instinct of crying. This link between the baby's cry and the parent's intervention is very strong, and it's almost instinctive. It doesn't require the baby or its parents to think, it happens almost automatically. Since this particular instinct or intelligence was probably among the most vital for the species to survive, it was one of the first instinct to develop in the species. Otherwise, the young wouldn't have lived and the species would not propagate. Since the species did propagate, um, you would have to say that this instinct was there long before other intelligences developed in the particular species. Because without this, it would have died. So, if this was a very primary and necessary trait in humans and many other animals, perhaps, it probably developed millions of years before humans started to think. So, I want to raise this question. Um, don't you think that the brain area related to this instinct could lead us to clues about how intelligence or instinct developed? Because this was one of the first intelligences to be developed. It's the most primitive intelligence to have been developed in a species. So it's a basic building block of how intelligence um, could be developed in the animal or was developed in the animal. Maybe researchers can even compare the brain region controlling this instinct of humans with the brain regions of other animals controlling the same instinct. Who knows, they might turn out to be pretty similar. And if they are similar, that might show that humans and other animals both had a chance to develop thinking skills or modern intelligence as we call it, but only humans developed it. Um, Please, if you want to ask questions, please comment, share, and if you want to subscribe to my channel, um, I'll be um, I'll be publishing videos like this quite often. And if you like it, and it would be really a big help to me, a big appreciation for me, if you could, um, if you like it, please do click the like button, and please share it among your friends. That would be really helpful. Thank you so much.